Bria was talking about boyfriend. Bella is asking about the male anatomy a whole lot.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
So we wanted to share with you why we decided to do Vlogmas and why
Vlogmas-ish.
we named it Vlogmas-ish. Number one, we had taken a break from YouTube probably a month ago, and we decided that we wanted to become very active again before the end of the year. And so we came back with a few videos, and then we said, why not do Vlogmas? But then by the time we thought about doing Vlogmas, a few days had gone.
About 5 days.
Yeah, had gone out of Vlogmas. So we said we're still gonna do it and try and post every day. And so we named it Vlogmas-ish.
We're trying to at least make it to 25 days of Christmas.
Yes, 25 days of Christmas. So even though we missed the first few days of Vlogmas,
This is our 5th.
this is our fifth video. So we decided to just name it Vlogmas-ish because it's not full Vlogmas, but it's still Vlogmas.
And listen, for those of you who think this is a joke, to do a video every day, record different things off each day, edit it, post it. Yeah, it's a lot of work.
It is.
So big ups to all those who do
Who do
Vlogmas
it.
every single day,
Yeah.
every year.
Yeah. Big ups to you. And Brian edits for the most part, and I mean it's a lot of work to get in between everything else we're doing, but we are committed to the task.
Yes, we are.
We are committed to the task, and we're so happy that our Cufflinks family is growing.
And you understand,
yes,
and you support
understand.
us.
Yes, and you are supporting us with Vlogmas-ish because we see the views and we see you interacting with the different videos. So thank you so much. So for the rest of
And tell somebody else that we're doing it, right?
So for the rest of the holidays, you can look out for videos every night around 7:30 thereabouts.
Jamaican time.
Yes, 7:30 EST. So you can look out for that every single day and watch the videos. Leave us a comment. Let us know what was your favorite part, etc., as we bring you along throughout our holiday. So we're doing our best. So we hope that you are enjoying Vlogmas-ish so far, and look out for the rest of videos for the rest of the holiday period.
Like earlier, Bria was talking about boyfriend.
But no, you think she'll go married when she get bigger?
My point
Nah,
is-
vlog that because Bria is very bashful.
Bella is asking about the male anatomy a whole lot. This
Why don't you
interactions
vlog
with
that?
them. Oh,
Right. So don't tell me to vlog that. Why you don't vlog that?
Stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Yes, baby. Okay, I'm saying you look like.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
We missed you. Why didn't you guys come in the water?
Daddy not feeling so well. Mama.
Auntie, why did you come in the water? I'm not in the
pumpkins are back. Say hey, Cufflinks.
Hey, Cufflinks.
So they are back in Jamaica.
Yes.
You feel cold, not true? Mandible cold.
Freezing. It's cold.
It's like New York. Yes, you need to put on your jacket. Well, it's not that cold, but
It's not that cold, but it's cold.
Hi, welcome back.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Grandpapa.
Thank you, my baby.
Bria and Bella, happy to see Grandpa?
And don't leave us again yet.
Don't leave us again yet.
What you saying, Bella? What you saying?
I love Grandpa.
All right.
Hey, Christmas driving just different, you know. You see a lot of those black patches on the road. Road fix. You see a lot of debushing.
Hi, guys.
Yeah. So just picked up wifey. She did her hair. Well, she undid her hair.
Right, I never do my hair. It's not a hairstyle.
Yeah, she undid her hair. For those who were watching, you saw the previous vlog. Her hair was much longer.
Yes.
How long you had that in?
A whopping 2 weeks.
Alright.
I think because we went to Wise Falls on Sunday. You'll see that vlog.
Hi, guys.
Or you should have seen it already. Because we went there, I think the water messed it up a little bit more. So I just took it out. Are you excited to get holiday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Much road patch.
So yeah, I'm excited about the haul that's coming up because I've never done a haul before because you know fashion and all of that has never been our focus, but look what the Lord has done. Yes, I'm excited about that.
Always fashionable, yeah?
Yeah, always fashionable, but I mean to like showcase clothes apart from what I do for FHL for my events.
Big up FHL!
I don't know what are you videoing? It's sideways and upside down. Go. I can't wait to pull out these curls.
Confidence fam. What's up? Got the flu, but I gotta work. One of the things I do is host a show called The Lunch Bag. It's a collab with the department that I work with, the Department of Communication Studies at NCU and NCUFM. And it's every last Friday of the month at 12. And I am one of the lecturer hosts, you know, helping our future media practitioners to get some practice, to hone their skills. So I'm on the way to that. Vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin multi-symptom. Show must go on. So looking a little bit dreary and weary. I put on my TV face.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light.